All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 6 mini winners for my Stitch and Pitch set. So we'll check the time, April 24th at 1:05 p.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have April 24th at 1:05 p.m. There is the list of our 82 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 6 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Stacy, Wade, Bill, Justin, Joel, and Scott. 6 different winners. So, Stacy, you're going to be up first. Let's see. First was how many spots again? I forgot. You are up for 10 spots in the main. So, Stacy, you get 10, and then Wade with 9, Bill with 8, and so on and so on. So, there is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, April 24th, 1:06 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.